feeling. Oh yeah, never been so blessed. Today is something I can believe in. Yeah, oh yeah, gotta live it, breathe it, be it. Yeah, now I clearly see it. Oh, this is my day. Yeah, 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 and it's going my way. This is my day, my day, my day, and it's going my way. This is my day. Well, and it's going my way. Yeah. This is my day. Yeah. Yeah. And it's going my way.
Naalala mo, sa unan nating pagkita, ang liit mo ang una mong sinalita. Ikaw ay nakakahen na damit, at akin ay puti. Ako'y pitit, ikaw ay malaki. Sa mga panahong ito, ikaw ay nandiligaw pa lang, ngunit kumakahawak ng kamay, at akbay tila sinagot na. Pero kinalaunan ay naging magtayo na.
Don't be scared of having dreams.
Love, before you kept asking me what I love about you, I always said na it's you that I love. Pero ang totoo, it's really you. Ikaw nagmahal sa akin, sobra-sobra.
Simula nung nasaktan ako, lalo na pagkawala ni Mama, nahirapan ako magtiwala. Nawalan ako ng gana para magpatuloy. Nawalan ng oras para sa sarili. Nawalan lahat ng dahilan para sa araw-araw ng paghinga. But from the moment I met you, I knew my life will never be the same. From darkness to lightness, as in real quick. Sabi nila, iba talaga ang relasyon pag mahal ka ng lalaki.
Naku, hindi mag-ibi.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan.
Pero being with you, I learned love is not a feeling. It's a choice. And I promise to choose every version of you kahit na ubanon ka na.
Ngayon, hindi ko mapapangako na maging perfect na wife. Pero magiging perfect at mabuting ina sa magiging anak natin. I love you.
I love you. Diba sabi ni Father, mamahalin kita kahit mahirap.
Life is good, life is great. Yeah, we're gonna
And I
celebrate.
always grateful that I have you in the support system kahit na ginagawa akong prinsesa dahil sa dula sila.
Life is good.